Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks. Our first question is URL stands for. Given options are A. Uniform Resource Locator, B. Uniform Research Locator, C. Uniform Resource Link, D. Uniform Research Link. Your correct answer is option A. Uniform Resource Locator. www specifies the URL of a website and allows the user to access information. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. Internet was evolved from the basic ideas of ARPANET. Given options are A true, B false, C none. Here, this statement is true. So our correct option is option A. ARPANET is the first one, that is wide area network, that had only 4 sites in 1969 for interconnecting computers. Next question. Which of the following is not involved in working of IoT? IoT means Internet of Things. Given options are A. RFID, B. Sensor, C. Nanotech, D. Server. The correct answer is option B. Server. IoT works from RFID to sensor to smart tech and then to nanotech. Our next question. Making the smaller and smaller things have the ability to connect and interact. Given options are A. Microtech, B. Smart Tech, C. Nanotech, D. RFID. Here correct answer is option C. Nanotech. Nanotech is a term used when smaller things are made to interact and communicate. It is involved in the working of Internet of Things also. Next question. Wi-Fi stands for. Given options are A. Wireless fidelity, B. Wireless flexibility, C. Wide fidelity, D. WAN flexibility. So Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is widely used in both outdoor and indoor environments. Our next question. RFID stands for. Given options are A. Random frequency identification, B. Radio frequency identification, C. Random frequency information, D. Radio frequency information. Your correct answer is option B. Radio frequency identification. So earlier, RFID or radio frequency identification was a prerequisite for Internet of Things. Our next question. Diagnostic service for cars. Given options are A. MRPS, B. Autoboot, C. IoT assistant, D. IoT. Here correct answer is option B. Autoboot. Autoboot is a diagnostic service for cars. This service is integrated with several web services. Next question. Collect, communicate, dash and act. Here correct given options are A. Acknowledge, B. Analyze, C. Examine, D. Rectify. Here the correct option is option B. Analyze. The correct option is analyze. This shows that life cycle of Internet of Things. So first collect, then communicate, then analyze, then act. Our next question, several instruction execution simultaneously in, given options are A. Processing, B. Parallel processing, C. Serial processing, D. Multitasking. Your correct answer is option B. Parallel processing. In parallel processing, the several instructions are executed simultaneously. Parallel processing system provides the concurrent data processing to increase the execution time. Thank you.